This is the Relife dip station. This is a functional heavy-duty dip stand that you can use for at-home workouts, or if you've got your own gym that you can add this in here. It comes along with some instructions showing you how to set it all up properly. This is all packaged really nice in double corrugated cardboard. These pipes, don't underestimate them. They're actually quite heavy. And I've used this dip station for many times after shooting this particular video here. So I'm just going to go ahead and unwrap each one of the pieces. It's fairly self-explanatory. So you open on up, you have the two shoes for one of the support arms. Naturally, of course, we're going to open up the other box, and it's going to have the other two shoes. And you see the little baggie on the floor there, that actually has all the parts inside it. So we're going to want to make sure we crack that open. Comes along with its own Allen wrench. It's going to have these two little knobs. That's actually going to get it to where you can separate each of the dips stations in a specific length that you want to. I highly recommend you put that bar in between each one of those. I've tried to go without, and I found that it's not as sturdy as when you have it in between. So screwing it in is a little bit of a pain in the butt, but if you play with it for a little bit, you'll get it done in no time. It's fairly intuitive. It has numerous settings you can take advantage of. So let's take a look. Let's see how it works for dips. By the way, I'm about 6 foot tall and 195 pounds, and I'm putting all of my weight into this. Let's go ahead and give it a shot for some inverted rows. And no tilting. 5 stars.